how to see post you have liked on Facebook. Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can see post you have liked on Facebook. So first open your Facebook app and then on the top right corner or bottom right corner you will see menu icon. Just click on that. After that scroll down and then expand the settings and privacy. Now click on settings. Now scroll down and under your activity section click on activity log. Now on the middle right click on activity history. Now on the top click on filter. Now click on categories. Now on the top click on your Facebook activity. Now click on comments and reaction and then click on likes and reactions, and there you go, and that's how you can see post you have liked on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.